How you feeling, Rebel? All systems A-OK. That's weird. Let me just... Okay. I'll just check your control panel. Well, everything looks fine to me. Oh, hey. I'm so glad you're here. It's me, Collin. And this is my robot, Rebel. Hello. I was just looking at it because I'm now a robot repairman. See, I fix robots when they're broken. It definitely does. Exactly, Rebel. So see this? When you press it, it turns the robot off. And when you press it again, it turns back on. And if it's green, that means its systems are good to go. All systems are okay. You always say that. All systems clearly are okay. I know, Rebel. Yeah, you see, there's never robots. Just as a robot's right? That's literally my problem. Robots never break. Hey, Rebel, what do you say? All systems A-OK. Are you sure there's nothing I can fix for you today? All systems A-OK. I'm a repairman, cause I know what you need to call. If your robot starts to act up or bad day, I know why to call you. Say with the robot, I can put the need in the heart. And robots never ever break. They just don't break, they never ever they break, they never do. That kind of robot is right now. But the problem is that robots never ever break. Is there any problem with your robot? You know, feeling this robot feeling and we never do. That's literally my point. That's my true point is that robots never ever, yeah, never ever break. Maybe today can be the day that I can finally repair a robot. That would be so amazing.